Each ingredient was chosen for a specific purpose. The main diseases that we were trying to address with Occuglo2 were diabetes, specifically diabetic cataracts, which we know dogs will develop almost 100% of the time within a couple of years. In fact, 75% by 1 year. And retinal degeneration, specifically progressive retinal atrophy or different forms of inherited retinal degeneration. These two diseases are a very large part of my practice as a veterinary ophthalmologist. So when we came together to make Occuglo, I chose a few things without a lot of literature behind them except for holistic types of research. For example, lipoic acid or alpha lipoic acid was shown to be beneficial for neuropathies in humans with diabetes. Those are painful nerve diseases that are a sequela of the diabetic state. Once it was in the formulation, a myriad of literature has come out showing that it's a very strong antioxidant. It has some aldose reductase inhibitory properties, and it regenerates glutathione, vitamin C, and CoQ10. Once we started using the product, we realized that diabetic patients, when given Occuglo2 very early or prior to getting cataracts, actually didn't go on to lose their sight and require surgery. Granted, that was anecdotal at first. So a colleague has done a study in England, and he showed that while the dogs were taking Occuglo2 on a daily basis, cataracts did not progress, and they maintained sight for the duration of the study. So obviously that was very exciting, since cataract surgery entails a significant amount of money for some dog owners, and it was beneficial to not have them undergo a surgery. Inherited retinal degeneration affects about 75 or more in pure breed dogs. They start losing their sight anywhere from 6 months to a couple of years of age. It progresses within 1 to 2 years beyond that, and they lose their sight completely. What we found was that the dogs started on Occuglo2 did not continue to lose their sight. In fact, they were left pretty much where they were diagnosed, which was amazing, because now it wasn't a sentence of, yes, your dog is going to lose his or her sight for sure. Your dog is going to maintain what he's got, whether it's a little bit or a lot of sight. So that was great for owners, because their quality of life for the dog is amazing and outstanding now.